Okay, so today we are going to discuss another one more important item in the MS Word, mostly the Microsoft Word we are using for the word processing. Word processing means formatting texts. Other than that, the Microsoft Word is playing major role in the page setup. So normally when you are participating on the job training or when you are doing some project or research study, after that definitely you want to submit the OJT report and research project report or maybe the mini project report you want to submit there. During that time, the page setup is playing major role. Okay, so the page setup also the words they are providing lot of facility to set up your pages and they are providing lots of facility to improve your scientific writing. Okay, so scientific writing means you will have some, I don't know whether you have the experience or not. So when you are having images in your document, you want to name that image, that's called the citation of your image. So insert caption, you want to add the caption of your image. So those type of things we can done with the MS Word. Today we are going to discuss what are the things we can done with the page setup. So first you can see there here the page layout tab is there. So page layout tab, first you can change the page size. So here I am going to change my page size as a A4. So now I am having the A4 one paper. So once I press the enter key continuously, then the pages will be added more here. Okay, now see here we are having several pages in my office document. Okay, so then here margins, first I will zoom one page. So here margins, so the margins mean there are four margins are there: right, left, top and bottom. So margins mean you are giving some spaces. Normally when you are preparing the report, you want to have some spaces in the binding side. So for the purpose of staplering or binding, you want to have some spaces. So that is called margin. Here you can adjust the margin. So here custom margin. So from that, so the left, right, bottom, top, so you can change the margins here. Okay, so that is simple things. Then here I am going to insert a page number. Just insert page number, bottom page number. So here I have inserted page number. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, likewise they have numbered automatically all the pages. If you want to skip some numbers from your first page, so normally the cover page there is no any numbers. So if you want to skip some numbers from your first page, how you can skip it? Just put the tick on different first page. So just put the tick on different first page, then close the header footer. Now you can see there is no any numbers in your first page. Then thereafter second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, likewise. Okay, then sometimes when you are having some documents, so you want to have the table of content, table of figures, then after that some abstract or something you will have. So those now those page sometimes you want to have the Roman letters. So then rest of the page you want to have the numerics number. So normally when you are preparing the project report or OJT report, some guidelines they will provide. So in this guideline they will ask you to prepare the first 3 pages, the table of content, table of figure. So those pages they will ask you to have the Roman letters as a page number. Rest of the pages you want to have the numbers, numeric number. So we'll see how you can add those numbers here. After this first page layout break, I am going to insert the page breakers. Okay, I have inserted page break here. So you can't see the page breaks here. Okay, if you want to see that particular page break, so I will show you. Just go to home, then here you want to click the show and hide character. Now you can see here the session break is created here. Okay, then again what I am going to do, I am going to create some session break here. Layout break. Next, so the session break mean I am breaking my pages as a different sessions. Okay, so I am breaking my pages as a different session. First session, second session, third session, likewise. So here what I am going to do, here I am having the number. First I will see there. I think sometime it's okay. So numbers are there. So here just I am clicking on my number, then right click. Okay, format page number, then start one. The number format is a Roman. Now you can see. Wait a minute. Okay, it's there. Here also number. There is no number. I will include. Insert page number, bottom page. Okay, now it's okay. So here you can see. So the different first page, sometimes they will not taken. So we will adjust that. So here you can see the first page Roman number 1, then second page Roman number 2, then third page Roman number 3. Here numeric number 4. Then what I want to do is just double click format page number, start at 1, numeric number, then OK. Now you can see Roman number 1, numeric number 1, 2. Then when I am adding pages, 3, 4, 5, likewise. Here you can see. So first page, I will tell you later how we can remove the number from the first page. So they will not remove now. So because we are having more sessions here, okay. So different first page they will not taken here. So then other pages you can see here. Roman letter 1, 2, 3. Then numeric number 1, numeric number 2, numeric number 3, 4. Then you will have the 5, 6 likewise pages. Okay. Then here one more thing. Sometimes you want to turn some pages in your document. So you might have some tables, bigger tables or graphs. So you want to turn some documents. So turn some pages. So here I want to turn only this fifth page here. Okay. So the page number 5, I want to turn it. Okay. Here as a landscape. How can I turn? Again, I want to insert the session break. Okay, I have inserted session break. Then here just click here, then landscape this session. Okay, now you can see after that all the pages are turned. Okay, then what I want to turn, I want to turn after these pages also like earlier. So the same things you want to apply. Next page, then here turn. Now you can see the only one page is in the landscape. So if you want to have some more tables or something, you can insert here. Insert table, some bigger table. So all the things are depends on your page breakers. If you move the page breaker here and there, you can increase the pages. So here you can see, so number also will change when you are changing the, when you are inserting the page breaker. Now you can see, now number 4, then again is number 1. What you want to do it, right click, format page number, continues from the previous session. So now you can see 4, 5, then again every breaker, when you are inserting a breaker, you want to give this things continues from the previous session. Now you can simply get the pages from 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. Okay, then we are moving next part. What is the purpose of these styles? We were used anywhere in these styles. No, here we discuss these fonts and paragraphs, everything in earlier, but here we never discuss about these styles, but we are having in our home page in the styles tab, so in Word. So because this is also much important when you are preparing the document. Okay, so nowadays most of the member, if they want to have the table of content, so table of content means you will have the idea about the table of content. So if you want to have the table of content, so how the peoples are doing, they are typing one by one the page number 6, what are the headings are there, then the heading, subheading they are typing, then they are having the numbers of the page numbers there. So words, they are providing, the Microsoft Word, they are providing automatic table of content. So if you want to prepare the automatic table of content, so first you want to have them, you want to use these styles properly. So here you can see there in your styles, they are providing heading 1, heading 2 likewise. Okay, so here I am going to have some heading computer. I am going to apply the heading 1. Okay, if you want to change this heading 1 style, if you want to change this heading 1 format, you can change like this way. Just right click on your heading, then here just modify. Okay, so just modify the heading. So here the first heading, if you want to format, so the font I am using, I am going to use Times New Roman. So the heading 1 I am going to use the font size is okay 14, bold, font color is black. Okay, then okay, now you can see the font, the first heading is there. Then after that, so I am having some texts like this. Okay, so after that I am going to have some my second heading. So second heading means this is my second heading. So I'm going to apply the second heading style. So what I want to do it, I want to modify the styles. Times New Roman. Other headings are normally 12 bold automatic. Okay, so input devices. Then after that there is some paragraph related to input devices. Okay, output devices. So for the output devices, what style I want to apply? Heading 2 or heading 3? Why heading 2? This is the subheading of heading 1. So the output device means this is the subheading of heading 1. Then I want to apply the heading 2. Then you can apply the heading 2. Some texts. So under the input device, I am going to have the heading keyboard. Which style I want to apply? Heading 3, because this is the subheading of the input device. So heading 3. So I want to format this heading 3 again. Times New Roman. So only once you want to format it, then thereafter you no need to format. Then just you can click and apply the headings. Then similarly for the mouse, I want to apply the heading 3. This is my new heading. I am going to apply my heading 1. Then inside the computer software is another heading. I want to apply the heading 2. Then inside the software, application software, I want to apply heading 3 because this is under the heading 2. Okay, so this is heading 2, heading 3. Then this is also heading 3. Okay, here another thing, justification. Normally it's very important when you are formatting the document. Okay, here I need to apply the heading number. Each and every heading you will have the number 1, number 2, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Likewise you will have the number. So how we can insert a number? Just keep the mouse pointer in your heading, then go to the numbers, multi-level list number. Just put the click on the heading number. You can see 1, 1.1, 1.1.1, 1.1.2, 1.2, then heading 2, 2.1, 2.1.1, 2.1.2. Simply you will get the number. No need to worry about the number. Even if you want to add new heading here, you can simply add. Just output device, projector. Just apply heading 3. Simply they will get the number. Okay, then in your second page you want to have the table of content. So table of content, so the Manual practice, the people how they are doing the table of content, they are typing again, computer, going there, they are seeing the things. Computer is in the page number 1. This is the way people's doing. Sometimes they are giving dots like this, then page number 1. Subheading, input devices, then dots, page number 1. Okay, so this is the way most of them are doing the table of content. The not necessary to do the table of content like this way, but they are providing the future to get the table of content automatic manner. Just you want to go to reference. In the reference tab, table of content. You can see there table of content. Just automatic table of content 1. Now you can see whatever the things you are having in your document, so they are automatically having the whatever the heading. So what the things you are having in your the document, based on the heading, they are providing the table of content here. Here you can see here. So we finished with the system software. Then I wish to add some heading here, computer hardware. Then here you can see I want to add the heading style to computer hardware. The computer hardware is not showing here. Then what can I do it? Just right click on my table, just put the click update field, update page numbers only or update entire table. You want to give the update entire table, just click here, automatically that will be updated here. Any changes if you are doing with your document, with a single click you can update it. Okay, then next I am going to insert some pictures. Okay, so this is the some computer picture. Okay, right click. Normally in the document when you are inserting a pictures, you want to have the caption. So the caption of the picture mean you want to label it. So what is the picture is having, likewise insert caption. Then here you can have the figure 1 likewise. Then you want to give the name of that particular figure. Computer. Okay. Figure 2, keyboard. Mouse. Okay, likewise you can insert a picture, also you can insert the caption of your picture. Then So the figures also, you want to have the table of figure here. After the table of content, maybe there's next page, you will have the table of figure. So table of figure mean how you can insert the table of figure. Same way, reference, table of content, sorry, reference, insert table of figures. You can see there, insert table of figures. Just click on the insert table of figure. So here they will have the caption label figure. So we are going to table the particular figure. So just give OK. Now you can see the figure number 1 is computer. It's available in the page number 1. Figure number 2 is keyboard. It's located in the page number 1. Figure number 3 is in the mouse. It's located in the page number 1. If you have any figures in the rest of the pages, or maybe if you are adding new pages in your documents, so those figures also with a single click you can update the field. Mostly in your document, other than this figure, definitely you will have the tables. Okay. Normally in the scientific writing, when you are naming your figures, when you are captioning, giving captioning figures, you want to use the caption under the figure. Okay. When you are having caption on your table, I will give you the same time you will know the things. Okay. Right click, insert caption, label, you want to change it as a table. Okay. My data, just give OK. So when you are inserting caption on your table, normally it will be displayed beyond the table, so the top of the table. Okay. So here just insert another table and giving the caption, my data collection 2. Okay. Then the third page, you will have the table of table. The table 1 is located in the 7th page, table 2 is located on your 8th page. So reference those we can discuss later. So the table of content are there. Okay, next, borders. Sometimes in your document you want to insert a border. Okay, so here I'm going to insert a border, page border, design, page border, box border. So I'm going to set the size of border. Apply to whole document mean all the pages they will receive the same border. I'm going to apply this session. This session mean only the session. I already break out the session. Only this session is getting particular this border. Okay, after that session there is no any border. If I want to apply some different border in my different pages, also I can apply the different type of border in my different pages. Okay. Then finally, file, save as, browse. I am going to save my the things in my desktop. Normally you can save as a Word document. If you want to save it as a PDF file, save as, browse, just change the type PDF, then it will save as a PDF document. Okay. The same time, if you want to save that particular document as a PDF with some encrypted password, just browse PDF, just click options, encrypt the document with the password, give OK. You want to give some password. Just I'm giving 123, then 123, then OK. 6 characters. They are asking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So then I am giving another name, my document 1. So I saved. So once I saved, when I am opening this document, they are requiring the password. Just I want to give the password. Then the document will be open. So normally when you are having these type of the particular your research document or maybe your field visit report or other things, if you want to protect with the password, you can protect it. Okay. Even when you are transferring document to somebody else or when you are taking printouts from outsiders, so it will save. Just double click on your document. All the time they are requesting password to open the document. Once you give the password only, the document will be open. With this knowledge, you can properly prepare the whatever the reports by using the Microsoft Word.